Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use Figma resources. Figma offers a vast array of resources to supercharge your design process. These include powerful plugins, interactive widgets, and comprehensive design system files. By leveraging these tools, you can significantly enhance your workflow, save valuable time, and create more sophisticated designs. We'll explore how to find, utilize, and even contribute to this incredible ecosystem, making your design journey smoother and more productive. Discovering Figma's rich resource library is straightforward. Simply head over to the Community tab located on your Figma home screen. Here, you'll find a treasure trove of plugins, widgets, and design files shared by designers worldwide. Use the search bar to pinpoint exactly what you need, whether it's a specific icon set or a complex prototyping plugin. Installation is often a single click, integrating new tools seamlessly into your workspace. Components and libraries are central to efficient design in Figma. A well-structured component library ensures consistency across all your projects, saving countless hours. You can easily drag and drop pre-built elements like buttons, navigation bars, or input fields from the Assets panel directly into your canvas. If you need to make a change, simply edit the main component, and all instances across your files will update automatically, maintaining design integrity. Figma excels in collaboration, making sharing your work incredibly easy. You can publish your own design files, plugins, or component libraries to the Figma community, contributing to the collective knowledge. For team projects, publishing a library ensures everyone has access to the latest approved assets. Real-time collaboration allows multiple designers to work simultaneously on the same file, seeing each other's cursors and changes instantly, fostering a highly efficient and connected design environment.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.